In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable multiplayer games in Game Center on your iPhone or iPad. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. If you want to restrict your kid from playing multiplayer games, all you have to do is tap on Settings, then tap here at Screen Time, next Content and Privacy Restrictions, and first make sure that Content and Privacy Restrictions feature is enabled here, and then tap on Content Restrictions. Then scroll down for a bit, and here you can find multiplayer games. Tap on it. By default, this option is set to allow with everyone. You can tap here at allow with friends only, or don't allow to not allow your kid playing multiplayer games. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.